In 2022, a rapid increase in large-scale floods is observed around the world. The last days of November were no exception. On November 26th, heavy rains caused flooding in the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. Many of the country's water streams had reached dangerously high levels, and the longest river, the Caroni, has overflowed its banks in parts. Residents of more than 40 settlements were affected.
Most of the times when rainfall like this, we have nearly 4 feet of water in our place. The whole road full of water, all our animals, all our crops been drowned out. Most of the animals get damaged, real damage. Some pass away, some still, they fighting with the water. And so, people in the back by me, they have nearly chest height of water. Still season here, like 2018, we get one about 2020, and then we come and get this one here now.
On November 27th, after heavy rains, the streets of Libyan capital became more like rivers. Cars and first floors of buildings were flooded. The statistics of large-scale floods in November 2022 indicate that the water force raged on almost all continents, leaving behind destruction and taking people's lives. In Europe, such countries as England, Scotland, France, Spain, Italy, Greece, Montenegro, Albania, and Serbia suffered. In Asia, vast regions of India, Syria, Iraq, the United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, and Indonesia have been underwater. In the Americas, floods hit the Dominican Republic, St. Lucia, Panama, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, and Brazil. Part of the Australian continent and many African countries were also flooded. In early November, at the 2022 UN Climate Change Conference, the head of the UNICEF delegation, Paloma Escudero, stated the following: "This year, we're seeing an unprecedented level of flooding around the world, and with it, an unprecedented increase in threats to children. The climate crisis has become a reality. In many places, floods have occurred that have not been observed in the life of a whole generation, or even several. Children today are suffering in a way that their parents have never had to suffer." And on November 12, 2022, the International Forum, Global Crisis, Our Survival is in Unity took place. The information, facts, and statistics presented at this forum showed not only the real situation with the climate on the planet, but also the importance of uniting the scientific potential of mankind to find a way out of the situation.